video, I'm going to teach you how to check and adjust your video quality on Amazon Prime. So, first thing you want to do is you want to log in your Amazon Prime account on your PC. And then next is you want to select a movie. So, for example, in here, I've already selected a movie, it's the Borderlands. And in order for you to check what video quality you're using right now, it's just you want to go to the top right corner of your screen and you have this icon right here, which is labeled options. Now, once you click on it, you're going to see the video quality that you're running as of the moment. It's best, better, and good. So you could change it to better, change it to good, or you could just leave it at best. Now, again, you need to know that the video quality itself is also very dependent on the speed of your internet connection. So that's all that you need to know about checking and adjusting your video quality on Amazon Prime. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell so that you are updated with our daily uploads. This is Josh. I'm gonna see you on the next one.